So let's check out a new image model. All right, so Minimax H3. If you guys did not know, Minimax has basically, oh, it's a video model. My bad, not an image model, video model. So they're saying that it matches Seedance's features at a fraction of the cost, and it will soon be open weights. So let's check out some examples. Product editorials. Turn product shots into editorials. Look at that. Did you guys see that? I'm sorry. As a designer, that just... Hold on. H3 handles typography, brand assets, and motion up to 2K with native stereo audio on every generation. Okay, cool. Look at this. Do you guys see this? The Kriya in the back right there, right here, the Kriya. Oh, that looks so good. Then it comes back to the front, it's in the same location. Like that's pretty great. It's pretty nice. Audio sync. All right. You can put music and dialogue clip and the video syncs to it. Wow. Like imagine that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, first frame, last frame. Of course, we've known that this is something that video models have always been able to do. You know, first frame, last frame. Talking head videos.
It's faster. It's simpler. It does everything you need and nothing you don't. The future is on your desk. It's faster.
I think, you know, like that AI voice, I think these video models just need to partner with 11 Labs. Like partner with 11 Labs and just get some of their voices embedded to your model or something, because I think the only thing keeping people from really using AI videos is just the fact that it's difficult to wire in authentically sounding voices. It's difficult to do that and maintain. So I think it looks good. Like this is a very good video. All right, so we can try it on Kriya. We're not gonna try it today. I kind of just wanted to check it out because honestly, they were supposed to sponsor me a while ago. That's not why I'm not trying this, but they were supposed to sponsor me a while ago. Minimax, and they did. Minimax did sponsor me, but I didn't get to try out the feature that I wanted to in time, so it expired. But Halo 3, Halo. How do you pronounce that? Do y'all know how to pronounce that? Halo. I'm one. They got everything. So let me see if Minimax has anything about this. Let's see. Minimax M3 H3. Yeah. All right, H3. See what they got to say, man. All right. A general purpose omni-modal generation model. So can it output, is it an image model or is it? Nah, yeah, it's a video model. Yeah, okay. But it's multimodal, meaning you can give it a video, you can give it an image, and you can give it audio, and it can work with that. For example, okay, cool. Can this show up? Cause I would like to see that video. Okay, let's see this. All right, so let's just check this out really quick. Reference the Hitchcock camera movement from video 1. So it needs to get the camera movement from video 1, have the character in image 2 sing with the vocals matching audio 3. Okay. Wow. I'm just a fool to... Okay, let's see. I'm just a fool to... Okay, cool. 2K performance. High quality details. That looks good. You know, you can still tell it's AI, but the untrained eye can't really tell. They'll think that's a 4K video right there. Native stereo sound. Ooh, check this out. Film opening titles. This is pretty cool. Wow. Now this is this is really cool. I would love to create something like this. I think we might need to try this out. What y'all think? Should we try it out? Just leave it alone. Product website. This is a animated poster. Film opening titles. So is this a product website? Or is this an animated poster? This looks like a game. I don't know. Animated poster. This is an animated poster, yeah. This is nice. This is really nice. This would be a good story post to post for your business. Advertising in e-commerce. These look good. They probably upscaled these and post-production, whatever, but they look good. As far as like the actual generation, like, looks good. We previously developed 2 generations of models. O1 built the system from the ground up, and O2 focused on improving core components like architectural efficiency, blah, blah, blah. Pre-training paradigm. Okay. All right. Cool. So it's just a multimodal video generation model. I think it's cool. All right.